morning, guys. We are having pancakes for breakfast. And I'm the pancake cooker. The one thing that we cook that Mama doesn't cook. The butter's too soft. It's not cooperating. I'm done ready to throw it away. It's soft. Every time you try to get it on the knife, it just slides off.
Well, this knife is not the greatest either.
Well, that's the only butter knives we have. So anyway, I have already got some. I've already had some cooked.
This is her first batch of cooking. These two, they have syrup in them. These are my McGriddles. If you want to know how to cook them, y'all have to go over to Life with Dusty.
I'm just using this little bitty scoop. I make little pancakes, guys. I don't make big pancakes. And this little scoop is actually perfect.
And I'm just the put her on her butter person over here.
I know anyway. Be done in a minute. My pan tap off my eye. And they gave me the giant pan to cook on the teeny weeniest little bitty eye. The eye just to have the size. You need to go over there and find you a lid. Set them in the center. Get that pan in the center of your cooking. Alright, and get that pan in the center of your cooking.
Don't let your pan
and let them cook.
Tell them how you do, how you get them so perfect looking.
Well, first off, when you're mixing up, don't over mix your batter. And then when you turn them on, you see how they had the little bubbles? That's when you know to turn them. Don't try to turn them before. Let them cook. And only turn them once. Turn them more than once, and you make them tough. Guys, we didn't go live mixing them up because they're literally just a box of pancake
I done
mix.
3 cups of the biscuit batter and then 2 cups of water. That's literally all that you do.
That one's crooked. He's gonna fall.
I'll set him up.
And guys, I really don't know the secret to. I will tell you, my pancakes normally you can't cook them too high. I've got it on 6.
But how do you do your pan so that you don't have to keep re-greasing it or anything?
You just don't ever grease it in the first. I do grease it the first go round, and that's it. But it's not got grease. The butter does right away. And my first batch always messes up. That might be why my first batch always messes up. Maybe I shouldn't grease it at all. I'm not sure. I normally cook them on my skillet. I used to could not cook them in a pan, but here lately the pan seems to be working. See how they're getting the bubbles? I don't know if you can see, but you should be able to see the bubbles.
Now I can turn them. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need to pour a little bit of oil in there.
Well,
I thought they would cook out some,
I
but
ain't
they're
got
not.
enough pans. Need to be an octopus trying to cook, man.
And you just do very kind of gingerly. You got to get them flat. Got to go to the flat angle. This pan's really weird because them little white things right there have a touch to them. And I know I'm not supposed to be using metal in here, but got to use what I got to have.
I think they
got to use what I got to get.
Should I put some in here?
And guys, I'll tell you,
You don't have to. No.
those of you that are coming to the tribe retreat up there in Kill Devil Hills, Sunny's going to make us pancakes.
Boys had, Bo and Blue had, they had a pancake birthday party one time, y'all.
Yeah, we did.
They love pancakes. And that's the one thing that I'm pretty good at cooking.
Maybe it's going to be right here.
pancakes either work or they don't, guys. I'm gonna tell you. And according to how thick you want them, like these were too thick. This pot was too thick when I first started. So I had to add a little water to them. But then again, if you like them thicker, then you can do them thicker. I said it's all according to
I'm gonna need you to stop talking for 2 seconds.
how you like
1.2
it.
seconds, okay? Alright guys, so I got me a little tiny plate right here, and I'm going to go ahead and take up my sausage that I just slung everywhere, and take up the sausage really quick, and I'll be right back. Oh my land.
Ooh, see, him didn't flaps. Him didn't flap. Oh, him didn't either. Oh well, guys. Didn't you have flubby dubs? They don't look pretty. But I guess they eat.
Alright guys, so now we're going to just take us some sausage, and I'm just going to, OMG, Becky. Are you serious? It literally just stopped recording. Just deleted all kind of stuff, so I don't know what else it was. Wait.
Ma'am, come on and get some pancakes.
Who? Lord, please don't let my things cool off. Okay, recently select, delete all, delete all. Okay. Mama, it's still not working.
Down there.
We get up here and it's
The sausage, the dessert's right there.
working.
Yep, that's what the crap.
How many can I get?
You done turned it off. That's why they cook it. Yeah. My belly done turned it off, y'all.
2.
If you want to, get 2, babe. My boys are big pancake eaters, guys. Your dad's got a serve. Can he have some sausage, Dusty? You want sausage?
Yeah, as long as you can get, just leave me one more, please. I'm sorry, y'all got me all frantic over here. I'm just trying to edit video the last part of my little thing, and it won't let me.
You're probably out of storage space.
I am out of storage. I'm having to delete everything on my phone.
I got to delete too.
Oh.
You ain't ready. Oh, it ain't ready, guys, because my belly, I guess, something turned it off. Anyhow.
This is the last.
Miss Deborah said you need to put a few drops. Y'all can tell I don't cook put a few drops of water. I don't cook that pan sausage. My pop it in.
Lord, please let me. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, guys. So, as I was saying, as my phone cut me off, we're going to just set them on top of there, and we're going to put the buns on. And there you have it, your sausage, homemade sausage McGriddles. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I know it's kind of crazy. But I'm fixing to go eat my breakfast, and I will see y'all later.
These
Bye,
are a
guys.
little light, but they're done, guys. They just didn't get brown because of me turning the fire off.
I'm going to set these in the microwave really quick so
But it
they'll
won't
stay
stay.
warm. Because I'm going to clean up my mess.
But it won't
Y'all want to see my little McGriddles?
Oh, okay.
Little tiny McGriddles.
When I cook pancakes at home, I butter them as I take them up. And she also has a skillet at home, and she can cook like 3 times as many as she can cook in here at one time. So
Okay, guys, there's
Doesn't take quite
sausage
as long.
that if you want it, it smells delicious.
plates and forks down there. and get your 2 vitamins out of there too. I was making a mess. I didn't know it was dripping everywhere.
It's alright. It's clean. Is that yours?
Yeah, the one's already made.
Is that Momo's? Dusty's got some salsa to do. That's Momo's bag. Where's yours?
Miss Donna, no, we didn't bring ours. We have aprons at home. We didn't bring them. We should have. Sir? Oh, both Zeke don't have his shirt on, so he's trying to stay at the camera. So wondering why he's pushing on me. Anybody check the air?
It's hot every morning. Some reason the emergency heat comes on in the middle of the night.
And it's not the heat.
Is it on cold?
Okay. Well, it was on emergency heat that morning. That's the reason why they were asking. Somehow or another it got turned on. Don't break it, Dinky Dink.
Get off your box. Go get your box. You want to stand on it? Stand on your box.
Brought them some goodies at Dollar Tree yesterday. And I was standing on them. Oh. What's the matter, Wow?
You don't know where his box is. Where is your box? Mama, please. Momo ain't got your box. Don't write on nothing, Momo. You write on your paper. That's why you got your notebook for. So you use it for writing. Don't write on your hand either. Write on your paper. No, quit writing on your hand.
Crayons and not markers.
Well, them crayons are sure writing on her hand very well.
Are they really?
Got her whole hand orange. Show Gaga your hand.
I don't know. That's from the TikTok.
Oh, that's from TikTok. Let me see your hand. Oh, yeah.
That's from what?
TikTok. Tack.
TikTok. Yeah.
Not gonna be brown.
They walk around with Tic Tacs. They call Tic Tacs their med. And Wilder eats the color off of them. When they get white, he spits them out.
You don't talk loud nothing. People said yesterday they couldn't hardly hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I try not to be too loud.
Because everything else is so loud.
Miss Felicia, I think that's why Mama's not good at them, too.
What?
You have to have patience and wait to turn them when it's the right time.
Oh, yeah.
Right, guys, we're getting to the bottom. I think this is going to be my last cooking. They said Papa Dad wasn't hungry, Mimi's still asleep. Dusty's got hers. Bo and Blue's already got theirs. So
Wesley's done ate cereal.
Wesley's done ate cereal, so all that's left is me and Mama and the babies. And the babies don't eat pancakes. They've already eaten some applesauce stuff. So I do have this little bit in my pan. I will attempt. I normally take my last cookings and attempt to
Make a big one.
make a big one. It don't always work. Though. I'm not really big one. Can't flip them good.
Oh, God. It didn't come up.
No, we got pancakes.
Yeah, I was doing the bathroom. Why? I just come pull up with everybody else to sleep. You broke it. Mama can't help you if you broke it.
I don't have
Okay, guys, let's see what we can do here. Hurt my hand. I wouldn't look at the snacks out. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. Now my little spoon, it fits on the side of the bowl. I don't know if that's what it's for. That's what I used it for.
Mama, quit. Wiping her tongue with a wipe. Wiping her tongue with a wipe. Man, what you doing?
Guys, when I make them at home, sometimes you can take the biscuit mix and you mix sugar, vanilla flavoring, vanilla flavoring, and something else in them. I can't think right now what it is, so I don't make them that way all the time. But anyway, it makes them so fluffy. They are so good. Okay, that's it. That's all, guys. We're fixing to go eat some pancakes, which y'all were here to join us. Bye, guys. Mwah. Oh, Miss Carolyn, that's how I eat mine too, with peanut butter. Yay! I thought I was the only one. All right, guys. We love y'all. We're going to eat some pancakes and drink my now cold coffee. Love you guys.
Who's going to Murphy, North Carolina?